Is your phone running slow? Then it might be that there are some apps that are running in the background. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to stop apps from running in the background. Yes, I'm going to show you 4 major ways of which you can do this and stop apps from running in your phone's background. So for method one, you can stop apps from running in the background by using the force stop. Yes, by using the force stop. So let's get into action. So first of all, by using the force stop, you enter into settings and you click on apps, you scroll to apps, you enter into apps, and you choose the app which you want to stop it from running in the background. So let's say I choose your app. I've chosen calculator. You can choose the app of which you want to stop it from running in the background. Yes, and then you click on force stop, as you can see right bottom here. Yes, you click on force stop and then you click on OK. Yes, and you are good to go. Yes, then you are good to go. That's for the first step. That's the first step. Now for the second step, say that's the method 2. So you can restrict background activity. You can restrict the background activity. Let me show you how to restrict the background activity, and I will tell you that this one is the best method to use. Yes, so you can restrict the background activity by going to settings and then entering into the apps again. You choose the app. Yes, you choose the app, you enter into batteries, and then you select restrict. Yes, if you select restrict, then you are good to go. This prevents the app from running in the background. Yes, it prevents the app from running in the background. So now let's keep on moving. Now for the third method. The third method is saying that you can disable background data. You can disable background data. This one, it saves data and then battery. Yes, this saves data and battery. So once more, we enter into settings again, then we enter into apps. You choose the app again once more. Choose the app once again, and then you click on mobile data. Yes, select mobile data, and then after you select mobile data, you turn off these two informations. Yes, one is background data and then allow data usage. So you turn off allow background data and then allow data usage while data saver is on. So you turn off these two informations, you turn off them, and then this also allows the app not to refresh or run again. The app will not run again. Yes, so we'll get back. Yes, so that's the third method. And then moving on to the fourth method. The fourth method is to put apps to sleep, and I recommend this method for all Samsung users. Yes, all Samsung users can put their apps to sleep. Apps that are not they rarely use. Yes, apps that they rarely use, you can put them into sleep. This is mainly for Samsung phones. Yes, this method 4 is for all Samsung users. Yes, so how do Samsung users do this? Now, you enter to settings once more. You go to device care this time. go enter into device care, and then you select battery. Select battery here, and then after you select battery, you also go search for background usage limits, and then you enter. So background usage limit is here, and you enter. Okay, so after you've entered, you can see here we have sleeping apps and then deep sleeping apps. So if you want to put the app you want not it to run again, yes, you can put this app here by clicking on sleeping apps, and then you click on this plus sign. You add the app application. You choose the app you want to add. So you choose the app and you click on add. Yes. So this means that this app is no more going to run again. This app is not going to run at the background again. So it will be in sleeping mode. This is recommended mainly for Samsung users. Yes. So this is. But I will question each and everyone that you should not restrict apps like WhatsApp, phone, and messages, and even alarm, because WhatsApp, phone, and messages are the most key points on our phones that we use. Yes, so do not try to restrict WhatsApp, phones, and messages, and even alarm, because if you do that, they are not going to show any message again. They are no more going to show any message again, and they are not going to run. Yes, so this is how to stop apps from running in the background. So method 1, you use the force stop. And method 2, you use the restrict background activity. The method 3, disable background data. And then the method 4 is to put apps to save, of which I told you it is mainly recommended for Samsung phones. Yes, and then as I told you earlier, I said don't restrict apps like WhatsApp, phones, and messages. Thanks for watching this video.